Hey, what's going on, everybody, and happy Friday. Hope everybody's doing well. So tonight I'm at the shop. There's a little bit of a relocation going on over here, so now I can park my car over here, which is nice because it's actually way more room over here. And the best part is it's right under the light, these two light bars, which is nice. I can see everything right now. So anyway, as far as the car, I've washed it only once, and not the greatest result, just because, as I said, this car would need at least 2 or 3 washes just to get it up to my standards. And actually I'm looking for a special polishing compound that I can use on this paint to get that maximum shine, maximum brightness of this titanium silver. I love this color. Well, but yeah, the actual reason why I'm here tonight is I'm going to install different wheels on this car. So I finally picked up a set of OEM 18-inch BMW M3 wheels. These are the wheels. Literally picked them up today, and I love them because they have a thicker sidewall, a little bit smoother ride, because these are 19-inch and it's more of a low-profile tire. It's pretty harsh on the bumpy road, which here in Salt Lake, that's all we have is bumpy roads. Look at that crazy cat. Look at it, look. What are they trying to do there? Or is it a raccoon, or what is it? It is some kind of raccoon. I actually got scared for the first time just because it was so unexpected, and it's kind of windy, so I thought it was wind at first, but actually then I heard that there is somebody actually scratching into something. It's trying to dig something out of the trash. But anyhow, let's get back to these wheels. So yeah, as I said, these are OEM E46 BMW M3 pre-2003, I think, pre-2003 and a half. That's when they came, and I love that it has a nice thick sidewall, and they just look good. Nice OEM look versus these big 19-inch. I guess with the magic of editing, let's have this swapped real quick. Come on. I guess I gotta flip the switch. Well, there she is. I love them so much. That's all I've ever wanted. It's hot. Okay, so let's look at them. Obviously, they need spacers. I would say 10 all around, probably 10 millimeters in the rear, and 10 millimeters in the front. Let's see from this angle. Yeah, maybe even 15 and 10. But yeah, as far as the rim goes, I think perfect size. Actually, it's going to be perfect with the spacers and lowering springs. It's just fine for now, but it can be even better. But even now, I like it. Nice meaty tires in the rear as well as in the front. We need to change these wheel bolts. They're a little bit corroded because these are not factory ones. Oh yeah, that's pretty much done with these wheels. And now I'm gonna just wipe these down and take nice pictures and post them for sale. Oh. These wheels are looking good. I'm done with that. Gonna leave them here. I think it's almost 1:30. I think it's time to go home. See you next time.